every day you see a vehicle that is 100 years old, let alone get it started up and check it out. So this is going to be fun. 1924 Ford Model T Coupe. As you can see, riding on the steel wheels. Inline 4-cylinder, 177 cubic inch engine underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 2-speed rear end on this one. We are going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Check out the engine bay. This is an all steel body, fender and boards. If you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com is where they can be seen. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, it now has a chrome radiator surround. Radiator looks to be in very nice shape also. 20 horsepower engine. This would have been rated at 45 mile-an-hour top speed. That may be a little bit different with that 2-speed rear end though. That would have been on the stock ones. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. We'll even take a peek underneath the hood. There you can see the lever for the 2-speed rear end. Of course, the 3-pedal system with what would be considered the clutch, reverse, and brake. This one also has a working skeleton key for the trunk area. That's on the keychain inside the car. You'll be able to see the trunk in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, interior, all of it. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. All right, some extra parts. Looks like we kind of have some belts there, maybe portions of belts. Another radiator surround. Some coil packs. Some vintage light lenses, it looks like. Old air pump, spare tire cover, and you can look at those spare parts in the still pictures also. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check them out. Take a look at the driver's side. You can see the paint obviously has a patina to it. It is not perfect, it's faded in areas, but how else would you want the Model T to look? Kind of got that era correct look to it, if you ask me. A little bit of pinstriping on it has been done along the way, and visor, 2-piece windshield. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. I'm going to get in from the driver's side, or excuse me, passenger side. It's going to make it a little easier for me to show you what all is going on in here. All right, you can see the seating surfaces, nice shape. Door panels, crank up windows do work. It's that 3-pedal system I was talking about. This is a 6-volt, and it also has electric start. So we don't have to worry about cranking it. Let's go ahead and turn this key to battery. Of course, we have the timing throttle on this side, I should say, and timing on that side. I think I have those sitting pretty good. Push button start is on the floor. May have to choke a little bit right here. All right, fire it up. I'm basically in the equivalent of having the parking brake on over here. This would be reverse, that's going to be forward, and that's going to be brake. Those 3 pedals, you can see that. Forward, reverse, and brake. This thing runs incredibly smooth. Just idle it down. I'm going to hop out. Sorry about that. A little tougher to get around in a Model T Coupe than a typical cars. So let's see. Let's slip around to the back. Hopefully this one doesn't get away from us, right? That would be something to see on camera. But listen to that. Is that not smooth running? If you can hear it. It is crawling forward a little bit. I'm going to quick show you this engine bay. And I'll do this on the other side. All right, gas shut off down here. That's why I wanted to show you this side. Obviously, carb side over here, also intake, exhaust manifold. running incredibly smooth. Pretty wild. If you like these turn of the century cars, the early T's, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. 1924 Ford Model T Coupe. Look forward to hearing from you on this one. And I better get her shut back down before it crawls away any further.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1924 Ford Model T. A very nice running Model T. Nice cloth bench seat, of course. We have our throttle on the right of the column. Down a little bit faster. On the left is the timing. Our amps are showing charging above half on the gauge. Nice wood steering wheel on this car. Equipped with windshield that opens, door windows that go down very nicely. Right pedal is your brake. Left pedal goes forward. Center pedal is reverse. Very simple, very easy to drive once you know how. We're just going around the parking lot a little bit to show you how it runs. You can hear it, you can see it. There's a little vibrating from the windshield. Nothing excessive. This Model T starts very easily and idles nicely right away. A little bit of that vibration is the window on the passenger door. A little adjustment of the wedge stripping and that'll be better. Easy to steer, easy to drive. As you can tell, a very smooth running Model T. The only gauge we have is amps and it's working as it should. Take a look at all the pictures and learn everything you want to know about this Model T over at uniqueclassiccars.com.